You were chosen. Not everyone survives initiation. You are being initiated. Which initiation are you in? Second.
If this video found you, it is because the Orishas have already spoken your name. Tell me something. What if the storm in your life right now is not a punishment, but an initiation? What if your heartbreak, your sudden urge for silence, your overwhelming emotional waves, your need to sacrifice, and your undeniable sweetness were never random? Society will call it anxiety. They will call it depression. They will call it a crisis. But in the Lucumí tradition, every crisis is a calling. And today, you are about to meet the 5 divine forces of the sacred feminine that have already been shaping your destiny from behind the veil. Yewá, sacred restraint and hidden transformation. Yemaya, oceanic motherhood and emotional restoration. Oshun, sweetness, prosperity. Magnetism Oya, storm, revolution, ancestral wind Oba. Wounded devotion transformed into sovereignty. This is not mythology. This is the architecture of your soul. Let's begin. 1. Yewá, the initiation of sacred silence. Yewá does not shout. She does not seduce. She does not compete. She waits. Yewá is the veiled current of restraint. She is the ancient, quiet power that looks at you and says, not everything must be revealed. In a world that is absolutely addicted to exposure, a world that demands you show everything, tell everything, and commodify your pain, Yewá teaches the lost art of sacred concealment. She is the guardian of the inner sanctum. Recite this softly with me. Yewá yaipamo, bomisino ashirire. Yewá, mother of sacred concealment, cover me within your mystery. Listen to me. If you are in a season where you are learning to move quietly, if you are shedding your ego, if you are suddenly feeling the need to retreat, close your circle, and master emotional discipline, you are not falling behind. You are being initiated. Yewá is already walking with you. 2. Yemaya, the initiation of emotional rebirth. Yemaya is not weakness. We are taught that to feel deeply is to be fragile. But she is the ocean that births continents. She is the salt water that sustains all life. When your emotions feel entirely overwhelming, when the grief, the anxiety, or even the love hits you in waves so massive you feel like you are drowning, that is not chaos. That is a cleansing. Recite this with me. Yemaya. Yami. Mother, carry me on your waters. Yemaya initiates us through our tears. She initiates us through the trials of motherhood, through profound loss, and through the primal need for protection. If you are in a season where you are finally learning to mother yourself, to nurture the parts of you that the world left dry and abandoned, breathe. Yemaya is already holding you. 3. Oshun, the initiation of sovereign value. Oshun is not vanity. Society will tell you she is just the goddess of beauty and mirrors, but they misunderstand the mirror. Oshun does not look at herself to see if she is pretty. She looks to remind herself that she is value embodied. Listen closely. When you are in a season where you are finally learning to receive without a single ounce of guilt, when you are learning to speak softly, but with power that moves mountains, when you realize that your greatest strength is not in forcing, not in begging, and not in competing, but in attracting without chasing, you are no longer fighting the current. You are entering Ocean's river. Recite this, and let it sweeten your tongue. Oshun. Yaoyin, tu idun no sinwayemi. Mother of honey, pour joy into my life. If life right now is violently teaching you your own self-worth, do not resent the lesson. Oshun is refining your gold. 4. Oya, the initiation of radical change. When everything collapses, when doors violently slam in your face, when people suddenly disappear from your life without an explanation, when the foundation you built your entire identity on is ripped away in the blink of an eye. Most people think they are cursed, but Oya does not destroy without purpose. She is the hurricane. She is the guardian of the cemetery gates. She does not come to ruin your life. She comes to remove what is expired. We cling to dead things. Oya brings the wind that forces us to let go. She makes room for the new. Recite this and let the wind carry it. Mother of the wind, open a new road for me. If you are in a season of sudden, radical, and painful transformation, do not fear the storm. Oya is simply moving your destiny forward. Oba teaches the absolute hardest lesson of the human experience. Love must never cost your crown. We have all been there. We have all carved out pieces of our own souls, sacrificed our boundaries, and diminished our light just to keep someone else at the table. But Oba is the ultimate alchemist of betrayal. She steps in to transform your deepest humiliation into unshakable wisdom. She takes the brutal sacrifices you made for the wrong people, and she forges them into razor-sharp discernment. If you are ready to take your power back, recite this: Merciful Queen, let my wounds become my strength. Listen to me. If you are in the painful, quiet season of rebuilding yourself after a world-shattering heartbreak, you are not broken. Oba is simply restoring your dignity. So, I ask you to look at your life right now. Where exactly are you being initiated? Are you being initiated in the sacred silence of Yewá? Learning that your energy is a privilege, not a public commodity? Are you moving through the emotional rebirth of Yemaya? Finally realizing that your tears are not weakness, but the waters that cleanse your spirit? Is life forcing you to recognize your absolute sovereign worth in the golden river of Oshun? Are you standing in the chaotic winds of Yewá, watching everything expired be violently, mercifully cleared away? Or are you sitting in the quiet aftermath of Oba, forging your heartbreak into the unbreakable iron of sovereign love? You are not cursed, you are not falling behind, and you are absolutely not lost. You are being refined. If this transmission resonated with you today, it means one of the mothers is already calling you. Before we finalize this transmission, let's invoke their Oriki so that we can align with the energy of the divine feminine. Oriki Yewá.
Yewá ija ipamo bomisinua sirire foinu mikuroni igueragua kia unri kwelu iwakwele agodide Yewá.
Yewá, Mother of Sacred Concealment, cover me within your mystery, cleanse my heart of pride, let me walk with gentle character. Personal affirmation. Yewá, hide me from vanity, make me strong in silence. Let my power be unseen but undeniable. Yewá, guardian of the sacred threshold, veiled mother of still waters, cleanse my spirit of vanity and distraction. Teach me sacred restraint. Guide me through endings with dignity. Let me walk the path of quiet power. Oriki Yemaya.
Yemaya ijami abe misorio mirie yo iban fekuro ninumi dami kwadasi basekwo kwelu life agodide Yemaya.
Yemaya, my mother, carry me upon your waters. Remove sorrow from within me. Restore me to loving harmony. Personal affirmation. Mother Ocean, hold me when I feel overwhelmed. Let my emotions become wisdom. Yemaya, great ocean mother, wash my fears into your depths. Restore my emotional body. Cover your children with your blue mantle. May I remember I am held in your womb of stars. Oriki Oshun.
Oshun ya oni tu idunu sino ayemi yo ikoriria kuro lojumi yekintani fe mole agodide Oshun.
Oshun, mother of honey, pour joy into my life. Remove bitterness from my sight. Let me shine love like light. Personal affirmation. Ocean, golden river, sweeten my destiny. Let what flows toward me be worthy. Sweeten my words and soften my heart. Remove bitterness from my destiny. Let abundance flow without obstruction. May I radiate beauty without pride. Oriki Oya.
Oya ija fefe mu agbára re wasi ajemi fohun tí kò yẹ kúrò lọ́dọ̀ mi sí ọ̀nà tuntun fún mi agodide Oya.
Oya, mother of the wind, bring your power into my life. Break away what does not belong to me. Open a new road for me. Personal affirmation. Storm Mother, do not let me fear change. If I must evolve, let it be fierce. Oya, Mother of the turning wind, break what must be broken. Remove stagnation from my destiny. If a door must close, let it slam with purpose. Teach me to stand unafraid in the storm. Let change refine me, not destroy me. Oriki Oba.
Oba ayaba alanu tu imosino irorami ki obo emidi agbára ki aumi oye arami agodide Oba.
Oba, compassionate queen, pour wisdom into my pain. Let my wounds become strength. Let me know my own worth. Personal affirmation. Queen of resilience, let me never shrink for love. Restore my dignity fully. Oba, keeper of dignified love, heal the wounds I carry silently. Teach me loyalty without self-destruction. Transform heartbreak into wisdom. Restore my crown where it was lowered. May I love without losing myself. Now that we walk in alignment with the divine feminine Orishas, comment below, which initiation are you in right now? Silence, ocean, river, storm, crown. And if you are walking the path of the Orisha with reverence and discipline, Subscribe if you haven't already for more ancestral wisdom. Because this channel is not entertainment, it is remembrance. Aceto Familia, until next time, Oshun Oju Odu, signing out.